G'day! Today on the table I've got an Acer Chromebook with the exact model being, there we go, being C731-C599. Also over here, it can also be known as N16Q13. So this one has a smashed display on it, which is very common with laptops, and the plan will be to replace it. So what we should be able to do is switch it off, play the waiting game, there we go, and what we want to do is pull under the trim and up, or on the side here, and get a nail under. If you can't get a nail, try a pry tool or a credit card or something to that effect. Get under, pull up and out. Once we start, it should come off very straightforward with minimal resistance. Biggest drama will be down the bottom here. As you see, to slide that finger around and we're in. Now, this is also potentially recommended to disconnect the battery. I will proceed, but you do run the risk of further issues if it's switched on and having power to the display when you do swap it. So from here, we want to take out 1 screw, 2 screw, 3, 4. Flip it around this way for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me lift that upwards. I lay it flat. Here we can see the connection and the existing model number of the one in here. So this here is the model number, NT116WHM-N42. So it's a 11.6 inch display on this one. We have a smaller 30 pin connector over here. To lift that up, I typically put a pair of tweezers between the plastic and peel it upwards. Then there's a little metal latch. This latch goes up and you should be able to pull it back. From there, you can lift the screen up and out. And off to e-waste it goes. Then from there, it should have a fairly comparable panel. In this instance, I am using a N116BGE EA2, which is a very compatible panel, just a 720p panel. And to begin with, let's reconnect the display. So what we want to do, pull the latch back, most of it back like that, and we want to go under this. So this bit here goes under, like that. Once it's there, we should just be able to pull that metal latch and drag it forward. Like so. So with that latch now over, pull the tab back over. So this is double, well, we've got tape on it, so that should hold it into place. And from there, we're on the last few steps. Fold this back up and put back in your 4 Phillips head screws. So do note that this goes through a hinge. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, the next bit we do want to do is put the trim back on. So from here, what you want to do is put the bottom section in and make sure it's covering the hinges. Then push down in the middle to the back and work your way across. Should make some fairly loud audible clicking noises as you go around. There we go. So following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the display in your Acer C731 Chromebook. Hope that helped you, and I'll see you later. Bye.